head here, and we've given it a general sanding down. Got this all smoothed down. We sanded down the mouth here. We're going to do these grooves for the teeth. I'll use this small cutting diamond here for this. Got that. We're going to work on these eyes now. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. We have the mouth sanded down. We've taken some out in here. So when we put this in, hopefully this will be enough. We'll have to adjust it, I'm sure, a little more. So this is ready for, at this point. So I'm going to use a 5/8 inch bit here, and we're going to drill these out. Okay, we've drilled this out here. So what we have to do is take this out more out here and then go to the inside and take it out so our eyeball will stick out some. These are 1-inch circles here. I don't want to go, if you go outside that circle, then your eyeball is going to fall out, and you don't want that to happen. So you want to stay inside your lines here, but we'll just take out a little bit at a time until we get this where we want it. And we'll start with this cutting tool here. We'll go from the outside to the inside until we get this down to where we get our eyeball to fit the way we want it. So now we'll take this back off. whenever you're carving, you want to make sure that you have your back in there so you don't split your head in your vise while you have it clamped. Like I said, we got this all prepped. So now we're going to go to the inside here, and we're going to take some of this inside out, and then we'll be back. Thanks for watching.